Guys, did you want to know how I make this delicious homemade yummy popcorn for your children, for your visitors? Keep on watching, don't touch that dial, okay? Your delicious chocolate popcorn. Keep on watching. Let me try it again. Yummy. Keep on watching, okay? Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. So guys, how are we all doing? Hope we are fine, we are good. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my popcorn with chocolates. Yes, with chocolate. So now I'm going to introduce to you what I'm going to use in making my delicious homemade popcorn. So here is the corn. I bought this corn in Chinese, in Chinese shop. Yes, I bought it in Chinese shop, and this is, I'm going to use sugar, not too much. My oil I'm going to use, you can use olive oil, you can use butter, but I'm using groundnut oil. So this is my chocolate that I'm going to use in making my homemade popcorn. So sit down and watch. So let's begin, guys. Let's go over to the gas to start making our popcorn. So guys, here is our pot. We have on the gas. I'm going to put the corn now. So I'm adding my corn. And oil. The chocolate and the sugar. So now I'm going to stir it together. And cover. As you can see, our popcorn is coming up. So allow it to come out. Oh, you can see. So check it now. Our popcorn is ready. Guys, check out the results. Check out the result of our popcorn. So let me test, guys. Yummy. Yummy. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, turn on the bell notification so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be first to be notified. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye. Stay safe and be good. I love you all. Mwah! If you need, you can send me your address so that I will send some for you.